What if I told you that you do not need a perfect plan, you just need the right one? In this video, I'll be breaking down a realistic 150-day FMG preparation strategy that is designed to help you cover the syllabus, revise effectively, and maximize your score. So, without any delay, let's just get started and dive right into it. So, right here we have our ultimate FMG December 2026 roadmap where we are going to be discussing everything in a very strategic, very planned manner. Simple step to step strategic plan I'm going to give you. 150 is the passing mark, but what you should attempt is 170 plus. Looking at what the NMC has been throwing at us, the questions, the curve balls, the updated pattern, the changed video questions and everything, what you should aim is 170 plus. If you aim less than 170 plus, you might get stuck between 140 to 149, and that is going to hurt a lot. 6 months of focus is required. One single source is what we suggest. It doesn't matter what source you pick up, but it should be one single source. Just put your trust in one single source and zero distractions, of course. ठीक है. The big 4 subjects are the ones which are going to give you 100 plus marks easily. तो 100 नंबर यहाँ पे सीधे सीधे आपको मिल जाने हैं मेडिसिन, सर्जरी, ऑब्स गाइनी और पीएसएम से. ठीक है. बट बेस मेकर्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. विदाउट दीज बेस मेकर्स, द मीडियम क्वेश्चंस, अचीविंग दिस 100 क्वेश्चंस इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है. यू हैव टाइम, यू हैव 6 months on your hand. Focus on improving your base, which is patho, pharma, micro. Study these 3 together: anat, physio, biochem, pediatrics, optha and ENT. So these are going to make foundation for you, for after which studying other important subjects is going to be very easy for you. ठीक है. The quick wins are as important as they look. Before, quick wins पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus होता था, but since this time, and I think in the coming questions or coming papers, clinical questions are going to have a stronger hold and no short questions are going to be there. There will be full on case scenario type question. So you have to study integrated. You need to focus on these quick win subjects, the short subjects, but with the mind that these are not going to come like a simple one line question. Even in these subjects, the question will be case based and clinical scenario based question. So you have to diagnose and see the question as a patient. ठीक है. So this is what the block should look like, है ना. अभी आगे चलते हैं. The phases, the 3 phases of your preparation: 1, 2 and 3. The first one should be 60 to 70 days long. It should focus on clearing your concepts. Watch the videos, make notes. If you are making notes, make them now. After this 70 days का barrier, do not start making notes. ठीक है. The second phase of revision is 30 to 40 days where you'll read those notes. या तो तुमने बनाए हो, खुद हैंड रिटन हो या एनोटेट किए हो. whatever you have done, you are going to review those. You are not going to do anything new, because if you did anything new in this period, then your revision cycle will get messed up, which is what we do not want. That's why we are planning from ahead कि लास्ट मोमेंट पे जाके हॉच पॉच नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना. Phase 3 and the final phase, the final sprint, 15 to 20 days. अगर ये 15 to 20 days you can do all the revision and review your tests, then there is no one who can stop you from getting 170 plus. But to reach up till this point, ये 2 चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. ये 2 ब्लॉक्स आपको अच्छे से होने चाहिए. देन ओनली यू कैन रीच टू दिस पॉइंट. नाउ वी हैव टाइम इन हैंड, सो ट्राई टू मेंटेन योर शेड्यूल. डू नॉट लैग बिहाइंड. ठीक है. फेज 1 में आपको क्या करना है? द 4 subjects, the big subjects, I want you to pick them up. Give them good enough time. No big subject can be covered in 3 to 4 days. At least 6 to 8 days are required depending upon your understanding. Some you can do in 6 days, some might take 10 days or 9 days as well. Do not get scared, do not get stingy for these 1 or 2 days, because you're making your concept. You're not going to come back and review these things again. तो पूरा बेस आपको अच्छे से अभी से बना के लेके चलना है. For the base maker slot of subjects, you need 4 to 5 days at least, and for the quick wins, give 2 to 3 days and stick to the plan. That is what the strategy is all about. Sticking to the plan is important. Making a strategy is the first part, but the most important part is sticking to it. Okay? Watch the videos, read your notes, do the questions. Do not skip any step. If you skip any of the step, then in the revision time, in this phase, the third phase, it will cost you. Sprinting phase mein, if you're not prepared enough from before, then you will have problem revising. So we don't want that to happen. Isliye we want you to prepare well. Now we are starting our batch from 7th, the Fateh batch. This is the batch where we are going to guide you. We are going to hold your hand. I think you are in need of guidance. If you think you are in a need of guidance, we are going to help you. What are we going to do in this one? I'll just quickly explain what are we going to do. Basically, this is a mentorship program where we take one-on-one interest in you and we help track your progress. We personalize your goal. We set tasks for you. We help you achieve the daily RDA basically, जो daily target है आपका, we help you achieve that. ठीक है? There will be interactive sessions almost every day. Every score becomes a strategy. We help you strategize. We tailor-made everything for you according to your study schedule, according to the source you have taken up, and according to your weaknesses and strengths. A plan is given day to day basis पे. हर दिन का आपको हिसाब देना पड़ेगा हमें. दैट इज वॉट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. वी मेक यू अकाउंटेबल एंड दिस अकाउंटेबिलिटी इज द ओनली थिंग दैट कैन मेक यू अचीव ग्रेटर थिंग्स इन लाइफ. ठीक है? तो देर वुड बी पर्सनल ट्रैकिंग ग्रुप्स एज वेल. इन डेप्थ GT analysis is what we also provide. Whatever questions you make, why you made them, and where you are lagging behind. So we go in depth कि कहाँ कमी हो रही है, why you are not getting what you should get. That is why we are there to bridge the gap of understanding कि कहाँ कमी रह रही है. That is what we do. A plan for every day and a mind at ease. देखो, plan पहली प्रॉब्लम होती है प्लान बनाना. ठीक है? दूसरी प्रॉब्लम होती है प्लान को मानना. तो वी डू बोथ द थिंग्स. वी गिव यू एवरी डे का प्लान एंड वी मेक श्योर दैट यू स्टिक टू दैट प्लान. Some people do make their own plan, but the sticking part is difficult for everyone. Self-discipline is very difficult. सबको एक accountability के लिए कोई ना कोई चाहिए होता है. And if you are in need of that, I think this Fateh batch is going to help you a lot in clearing your exam in only first attempt. We do not want you to waste your time getting stuck in FMG. ठीक है? तो structured revision plans is what we give. First revision for 3 days, second revision 7 days, and third revision 15 days. Comprehensive preparation schedule is what we give. Day-to-day basis पे we'll make you practice things, we'll give you tasks. The mentorship is obviously there, one-on-one sessions are obviously there, I'll be there of course. ठीक है? Nothing left to last minute stress. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं छोड़ा जाएगा आपको जो लास्ट मिनट में आपको पैनिक करे. Like in the last 15 days of your preparation, you will be damn confident that you are going to score really good. We also provide psychiatric sessions if you have a surrounding that is not very conducive to you, if you have some issues. आजकल बहुत प्रॉब्लम बच्चे देख रहे हैं, बहुत तरह की पर्सनल और फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स से भी बहुत लोग गो थ्रू करते हैं. तो फॉर दैट वी हैव अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट सेशन एज वेल टू हेल्प यू इन एवरी वे पॉसिबल. ठीक है? तो कंप्लीट फतेह एडवांटेजेस आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू सम अप वेरी क्विकली. One-on-one session is there, personalized goal setting and tasks is there, interactive live sessions are going to be there, personal progress tracking groups are going to be there, your in-depth GT analysis is what we are going to do, your structured revision plan is what we are going to give you, comprehensive preparation schedule which would match your weaknesses, your strengths, and your kind of studying. Like your schedule should match with ours. That is what we will provide you. ठीक? And psychiatric sessions as well if you need them. So if you are interested, if you think you need our help, do DM us on this number to join it. We are going to start it on 7th of July. Please feel free to contact us. ठीक है? Now Phase 2, cut the time in half. What are we going to do in our phase 2 ka preparation? Suppose surgery took 6 days. So in phase 2, it should take only 3 days. Half of the time you should take to revise what you read in your phase 1. That is the clear point of the second phase is. Okay? Put away the videos. There is no time to watch the videos. I think you watched the videos in the first go. That is what the first phase was for, to build the base. Now we don't have time to watch lengthy videos and things like that. You only have to read your notes, what you annotated and stuff. If you are confused, you can watch a clip or two. You can watch 5-6 minutes ka video in between of some topic. If you are getting confused in your notes ki ye point nahi clear ho raha hai, you can do that, but you cannot go cover to cover. Video ke end se leke starting se leke end tak you are not going to do that in the phase 2. ठीक. Now let's moving on to the last phase, which is phase 3, the last 15 days. Very important. If you want to be confident, make this last 15 days a piece of cake for you. You have to make your phase 1 and phase 2 very, very strong. Okay? Do not read new things. We do not suggest any new thing in the last 15 days. Revise 4 big subjects as they carry 100 plus ka score, and most of the questions are built around them. So these 4 big subjects are very important. ठीक? Look at your past mistakes. Your GT analysis is very important. Picking up your weakness is very important. जहाँ भी आपको गड़बड़ हो रही है, जहाँ भी आपका lag हो रहा है, picking up on that is extremely important. So you do not repeat those things when the final exam comes. ठीक? Only do quick reads of your short notes. देखो, नोट्स के शॉर्ट नोट जो आपने बनाए हैं, जो एनोटेट किया है, उनको ही रिव्यू करना है, नया कुछ भी नहीं उठाना है. मॉर्निंग में 3 hours शुड बी योर डीप स्टडी टाइमिंग. योर माइंड इज फ्रेश, तो यू गिव योर डेडिकेटेड टाइम टूवर्ड्स इट. आफ्टरनून में 3 hours यू विल डू योर स्टडिंग एंड योर नोट्स. जो भी तुमने रिव्यू बनाए हुए हैं अपने, यू विल गो फॉर दैट. इवनिंग में व्हाट वी वांट यू टू डू इज MCQs एंड क्विक रिव्यू. ठीक है, 2.5 घंटे आपको ये करना है. यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप. लेस देन 7 hours ऑफ स्लीप इज अ नॉन नेगोशिएबल, बिकॉज दैट विल नॉट हेल्प यू रिटेन मोर. ये साइड इफेक्ट इसके ज़्यादा हैं. कम सोने के साइड इफेक्ट ज़्यादा हैं, फ़ायदे बहुत कम हैं. ठीक है. टेक ब्रेक्स. Do not burn out. Burning out is not what we want in this preparation. Eat well, healthy food, nothing too oily, nothing too spicy. Keep your food on a moderate level. ठीक है. Tired brain cannot remember facts. That is a fact itself. So you make sure that your brain is not tired, not exhausted, not burned out. ठीक है. The secret to pass is 100 MCQs every day. Doesn't matter what you have studied, what you have retained. You have to solve 100 questions a day. That is a non-negotiable. How you are going to do it? 50 questions in the morning. Whenever you feel sleepy or low, whenever you don't want to study, just go for the MCQs. So first thing first, in the morning you're solving 50 MCQs, and before you go to sleep also solve 50 MCQs. That is the only way you can aim your 100 questions. वरना तुम रिविजन करते हुए, नोट्स रिवाइज करते हुए, यू वोंट गेट मच टाइम. यू विल फील लाइक मैं बाद में कर लूँगा, एंड दैट बाद में डजंट हेल्प. तो 100 क्वेश्चन रोज के करने ही करने हैं. कुछ इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं है आपके पास. ठीक है. हाउ टू टेक ग्रैंड टेस्ट. GTs कैसे लेने हैं आपको? स्टार्ट इन द 3rd month. ठीक है. टेक 1 टेस्ट every 2 weeks. Every 15 days में you have to give 1 GT. And assess your preparation. ठीक है. Sit for the full time. Treat it like a real exam. अगर उसको real exam की तरह नहीं treat किया, अगर अपने आप को train properly नहीं किया, तो बाद में बहुत दिक्कत होगी. Spend a full day checking your mistake. This is where we come in. If we are there, we'll pick the mistakes for you. We'll tell you कहाँ तुमने गलती की है. We'll give you full GT analysis. That is what we are there for, है ना. But if you want to do it yourself, then it is going to take a little longer. You are going to have to sit for a longer time. So, but this thing is important. Checking your mistakes, where you are lagging, is very important, so that you can improve on that. So what is a bad way of looking at a question and checking if the answer is A, B, C, D or not, and moving on to the next question is a bad way of solving your question in GT. This is not what we recommend. What would be the good way? The good way is reading why the answer is correct, finding out why the three options are wrong, right? And making a short note of your mistakes, which is your error book, which is important while revising in the last 15 days. That is how you should go about solving your GTs. ठीक है? Save time by pairing subjects. Pairing subjects is a smart way of studying, because in this time where the questions are layered one up over each other and the intersection vertically, they ask you multiple questions in between the intersections. So pairing the subjects is very important, because the questions are going to come in that way. ठीक है? तो pharma and medicine, pair them and study together. Patho micro, pair them and study together. Anat and surgery, pair them and study together. That is going to boost your retention, make you understand stuff more, and make you solve the question in a better way as well. ठीक है? Make the cheat sheets. Cheat sheets are very important, because you cannot read 500 pages in the last week. अगर कोई टॉपिक है, सपोज इफ देर इज अ टॉपिक, सपोज कोई भी टॉपिक है, मान लो डीएम है ना, डायबिटीज मिलिटस का टॉपिक है, उस पर 15 से 16 पेज के आसपास आपके नोट्स में लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है? नाउ व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज इट, 15 से 16 पेज पूरे पढ़ने में तुम्हें सेम टाइम लगेगा, तो तुम रिवाइज कैसे करोगे? अगर तुम्हें मान लो 15 मिनट लगते हैं या 20 मिनट लगते हैं 15 पेज पढ़ने में, ठीक है, अब तुम्हें रिवाइज करना है, तो अगर तुम्हें फिर से 15-16 पेज पढ़ने हैं तो तुम्हें 20 मिनट ही लगेंगे. तो वॉट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कंप्रेस योर नोट्स. ठीक है? वॉट वी वॉन्ट इज टू हैव अ चीट शीट, कि बाकी चीज़ें बेकार की, मतलब बेकार नहीं है यार, वो कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग चीज़ें हैं, बाकी चीज़ें तुमने पढ़ ली, जो भूलने वाली चीज़ें हैं ना वो तुम चीट शीट में तुमने पॉइंट्स में करके लिख लिया, एक पेज में तुमने डीएम लिख लिया. तो अब जब तुम रिवाइज करने जाओगे फेज़ 2 और स्पेशली फेज़ 3 में, तो तुम्हें ये चीट शीट बहुत हेल्प करने वाली है. व्हेन यू स्टडी अ बिग टॉपिक, दैट इज़ व्हाट वी हैव रिटन हियर, कि ट्राई टू राइट 5 की फैक्ट्स इन 1 पेज. मतलब फैक्चुअल चीज़ें जो हैं, जो कॉन्सेप्ट की ब्रिक बना रही हैं, जो तुम्हें लगता है हम याद रहनी ही चाहिए, वो चीज़ें अपनी चीट शीट में लिखो एंड कीप दैट पेपर असाइड. Write the cause, the test, the drug, the sign. These things are important. These things are gonna get asked in your exam. तो ये तुम्हें याद होनी चाहिए. वो एक पेपर देखते ही तुम्हें वो सब याद होना चाहिए. In the final month, only these pages are going to be a lifesaver for you. रिविजन को सिंपल बनाएंगे, ईजी बनाएंगे और बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. You would say thanks तब. 3 golden rule क्या है आपके? Stick to one source. I cannot emphasize more on this topic, कि एक सोर्स पे ही रहो, भागो नहीं यहाँ वहाँ ना. फोमो में मत जाओ, फोमो में जाके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. फोमो में जाओगे फेल हो जाओगे. ठीक? डू नॉट स्किप योर स्लीप. 7 घंटे की स्लीप बहुत ज़रूरी है. बाकी चीज़ें, फालतू चीज़ें मत करो. फ़ोन मत देखो, मूवी मत देखो, नेटफ्लिक्स मत देखो. काम योर ब्रेन बिफोर स्लीपिंग हाफ एन आवर. वॉट आई यूज़ टू डू इज़ कि मैं पूरे दिन फ़ोन या कुछ भी नहीं देखती थी, लेकिन आई वॉच्ड नेटफ्लिक्स ऑल ऑफ माई प्रिपरेशन. मैं एक एपिसोड था किसी चीज़ का, किसी कार्टून एनीमे का कुछ तो था, 30 minutes I'll watch that before sleeping, so that my brain is calm, it is relaxed, in the relaxed mode, and then I'll go to sleep for 5 to 6 hours. What I used to do is 5 to 6 hours, but what I recommend is go for 7 hours का sleep. Do that. ब्रेन को रिलैक्स करो, आधे घंटे देख लो, मेक अ हैबिट कि इससे कुछ छूटेगा भी नहीं. यू विल नॉट फील लेफ्ट आउट. दैट इज़ हाउ यू शुड ट्रिक योर माइंड. पूरे दिन कुछ भी नहीं देखना है, कुछ सोशल मीडिया नहीं, कुछ नहीं. सोशल मीडिया रात को भी नहीं देखना है. इट इज़ गोइंग टू मेक यू एंशियस. डोंट गो फॉर दैट. रात को आधे घंटे अपना फेवरेट कोई भी एक लाइट कुछ भी चीज़ देख लो, एपिसोड 1 देख के सो जाओ. ठीक है? डू नॉट स्टॉप. यू विल फील टायर्ड, बट यू मस्ट शो अप एंड स्टडी एवरी डे. देखो, बहुत ही थिन बैलेंस है बर्नआउट होने में और मतलब टायर्ड होने में. टायर्ड होना ठीक है, तुम पढ़ोगे, रोज़ थकोगे, रेस्ट करोगे. बर्नआउट नहीं होना है। बर्नआउट होने में क्या होता है ना, पढ़ने तो बैठोगे मगर मन नहीं लगेगा, रिटेन नहीं होगा। तो डू नॉट पुश योर सेल्फ टू द एंड कि तुम बर्नआउट हो जाओ। बर्नआउट नहीं होना है। थकोगे यार, दिन में 8 घंटे 10 घंटे से लेके 12-14 घंटे पढ़ोगे तो थकान तो होगी ही, बट यू शुड नॉट गेट मेंटल फटीक। वो बैरियर नहीं आना चाहिए दिमाग में कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है, अब नहीं होगा, नहीं हो पा रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। So if you need our mentorship, if you want me to help you personally one-on-one, you can reach out to us on this number, or you can simply click the link on the description and reach out to us. We'll help you. We'll be very interested in helping you out. ठीक है? You can do this. You have got this. You have to first make your belief system very strong. तुम्हें अपने आप पे belief रखना पड़ेगा कि तुम कर सकते हो। अगर तुम अभी से सोच के चल रहे हो कि नहीं कर पाओगे, देन इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू परस्यू योर थिंग्स, है ना। तो स्यूडो कॉन्फिडेंस ही सही, लेकिन बना के रखो। यू कैन डू इट, वर्क हार्ड। यू हैव 6 months। 6 months इज अ गुड इनफ टाइम। यू कैन easily achieve it. Doesn't matter पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है, क्वेश्चन टफ आ रहे हैं, you can still do it. It's still very doable. You can do it. You just have to have your dedication, your planning, your strategy, and sticking to that plan is the most important thing. Pass your FMG and do great things later on, है ना। So keep watching this page. We'll come up with new strategies and we'll help you out with other things as well. This is your host Dr. Smita, and we'll see you in our next video.